Hello, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to share screen with audio in Messenger. Messenger now lets you share other open apps, browser tabs, photos, videos, and more during your video calls. Now, this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, tap and open the Messenger app on your device. Now pick the person whom you want to share your screen with and then tap on video button between phone and info button, and once you tap on it, your video call will be started. Now once you get connected, swipe and select share your screen option, and there again tap on share button. Now tap on start sharing button, and now again tap on start now button at the bottom. Now finally tap on minimize call button to go back to your phone's home screen and begin sharing your screen. And that's about it. Your phone screen will now visible to the person on the other end. Now you can open any apps and share any files with that person. They can hear your voice as you have navigate other apps while the video call is in the background. Now that's how easily and quickly you can share screen with audio in Messenger. I hope you understand and found this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.